Did you know that apart from the turmeric rhizome, turmeric is a spice that has various health benefits? Now the turmeric leaves are also known to have many benefits, because they contain important nutrients for the body, such as flavonoids which are needed to maintain heart health. To get the benefits of turmeric leaves, you can use it as a complementary spice. Some dishes that often use turmeric leaves as a seasoning are opor, rendang and curry. Apart from flavoring, turmeric leaves can also be used as a food preservative. The following are some of the 5 benefits that turmeric leaves can provide. 1. Overcome stomach ulcers. Both the rhizome and leaves of turmeric contain curcumin. This ingredient is known to be anti-inflammatory, so it is useful for relieving heartburn symptoms. However, don't just rely on turmeric leaves as a remedy for stomach acid. To deal with stomach acid, you also have to make lifestyle changes with a healthy diet. Avoid foods that trigger acid buildup, stop smoking, exercise regularly, and manage stress well. 2. Prevent the formation of dental caries. Turmeric leaves can be used as a mouthwash. This is because research shows that the antibacterial properties of this leaf extract can inhibit the growth of Streptococcus bacteria in the mouth. In other words, by using this leaf, the development of dental caries can be minimized. Dental caries is a disease in which the outer layer of the teeth is damaged and is characterized by tooth decay on the teeth. 3. Relieves arthritis. Turmeric leaves can be used as a natural remedy to treat arthritis symptoms. This benefit can be obtained because the curcumin content in these leaves has anti-inflammatory properties so that it can reduce inflammation in the joints. 4. Lower blood pressure. For people with high blood pressure, consumption of turmeric leaves is highly recommended. Turmeric leaves contain flavonoids which can lower blood pressure. Apart from turmeric leaves, flavonoids are also found in cherries, apples, red cabbage, kale, parsley, red wine and green tea. This can reduce arthritis symptoms such as pain, stiffness and swelling of the joints. The patient can move more comfortably. 5. Maintain heart health. Flavonoids in turmeric leaves are not only beneficial for lowering blood pressure, but are also needed to maintain heart health. This is because the antioxidant properties of flavonoids can also reduce levels of bad cholesterol so that it is beneficial for heart health. Apart from being used in cooking, turmeric leaves are also found in various herbal medicines, although their numbers are still quite rare. Turmeric leaves have the potential to treat certain diseases or ailments, but not much research has been conducted to assess their benefits and side effects, especially in certain populations such as pregnant women, children and those with certain medical conditions. Therefore, for those who want to use turmeric as an alternative treatment, it is better to consult with a doctor before consuming it. This is done so that when you consume turmeric leaves you get the right dose to get maximum benefits.
I actually ordered the raw haldi from Big Basket, and I thought of putting some raw haldi in the pots, and here the result is. So this is a plant of, I believe, is for 3 to 4 months old, and look at this, the leaves is amazing. So I'm very curious to get out of the turmeric or haldi out of this pot. But in the meantime, I just noticed the leaves, and these leaves are actually amazing. So I thought of reading what should I do for the leaves. So as you know that in Ayurveda, haldi, the Vedas and the Ayurveda has given a very much importance to the haldi. So I just wanted to share you some few tips of using this haldi leaves. So if you have any symptoms of a cold and flu, so you can take a juice of this haldi leaves, grind it, mix it, and take a juice. Also, this juice helps in a jaundice. It helps in a digestion and a bloating. So also I read about it that if you take this haldi juice morning and evening in empty stomach, it helps in curing the cancer, skin disease. If somebody has a broken bone or accident, Again, you can take the juice. It actually relieves the pain. It is highly antiseptic and antibacterial. So this is all about how you can use as a medicine. But there are some other benefits also. You can use this healthy in a beauty face packs. So if you are having a pimple or acne, so again you can grind this particular leaves and make a face pack. It actually makes a